Book of Boba Fett. That's my Bobby Fett. Finale tops viewership of Mandalorian finale. Why it could be important for Disney stock. What do you think, Will? Did you check out any episode of Bobby Fett?
No.
0.
I was too busy watching Kanye.
Oh yeah, okay, that's a genius.
Yeah.
Which I watched. I watched a little bit of it. I listened to a little bit of the audio on my way driving here.
Okay.
Really?
Man, that shows you how goddamn busy I am. It's just nutty.
Yeah.
It's just nutty.
Are you just listening, like the audio version, or what?
I just play the Netflix in the
In this
car
tiny
stereo.
little screen?
No, I don't watch it. I'm driving. I just
jeez.
listen. I just listen. Actually, that's how I have to consume a number of YouTube videos
Okay, yeah.
these days, is I just play
Right,
it in the
yeah.
background and listen to it because I'm a ping pong ball. Like what they're doing to me.
Well, it's also, Will, it's really long, right? I haven't watched it either.
You know what's happened to me in the community out there? I'm a ping pong ball. You got to be over here. You got to be over there. You got to be over there.
You're just moving around all the time.
Yeah, with the kids and whatnot. They got so many activities.
Yeah.
They got
So much room for activities.
So many activities, guys.
I guess you didn't finish.
So that's
watching-
why I have to watch things they want to watch as well. If I'm going to watch something.
They're not into Boba Fett anymore?
Talking about Bobby.
Sure.
Say it once. Well,
I did say it.
say it one time. Say
But
Bobby.
I was about to get canceled.
It feels good. Say Bobby Fett. Anyway, no, they are. It's just even that is hard for us to get the time. We're out of the house all the time, but we're probably like 2 episodes back right now. But I was surprised to see that it actually beat the Mandalorian numbers.
Yeah.
Season 1 finale, Book of Boba Fett, was watched by 1.5 million U.S. households from Wednesday through Sunday in its first week. The figure is 36% higher than the first 5 days for the Season 2 finale, Mandalorian. To my eyes, The Mandalorian was the better show. To my eyes at this point.
Oh, yeah?
But I guess Mandalorian's success drove more people towards this show. So you had all that group to begin with because there's the tie-ins. And then you have all the new people that Disney has been able to attract to its streaming service. And then they're promoting this new Boba Fett show like crazy. So I guess that's how it all works. But if you can only watch one, I would point you towards The Mandalorian. But maybe people are they can't get The Mandalorian fix, and then they go to this other one. I'll finish it at some point. I don't know what I'm going to finish first, the Kanye one or this one. But I don't know if it even counts if I'm just listening in the car. Do people feel like that counts?
I think it counts.
Because I got the gist of it, you know? It's like I'm listening to an audiobook. It's a documentary.
Yeah. No, it's cool. I don't think you need to watch it. It's nice to like glance over every now and then.
So are you one of these guys you can watch kind of in the background? Is that what you're talking about?
Yeah.
You can put it on and you can do other activities.
Yeah, like right now, I'm doing thumbnails.
Well, right now you are. But I mean, at home, you might be doing a couple of chores and you have something on in the background. But Will, on the other hand, he gets his blankie, he gets his popcorn,
and
this is by my side.
Oh man! So you actually make an event. You go, I'm going to watch something right now.
No, but specifically for Genius, Kanye's doc, I felt like it was a monumental event.
Okay.
What do you think? You take a shower beforehand?
Scrub myself
Why
clean.
is that hilarious?
I just want to breathe it all in.
Oh my god.
Will's preparing himself for his big date. He lights a candle.
Yeah.
It's just
Oh my
me,
God.
just me and you, Kanye.
Genius.
I have all his albums lined up, ready to go.
Oh man, no, listen, there was a time in my life where for sure I would have made an event out of certain content where I would have just stopped doing everything. But I'm definitely currently in a place where it's more peripheral. Like I can have, like Mo said, I can barely have something on. I can sort of dip in and dip out here and there, but it's just too many tasks, man. I can't. I need to find the time. And maybe I will for this one. Maybe I'll find the time for this one. In order to put it all together. I know people are probably screaming right now, like, what do you mean? You don't have an hour? Like, what's the matter with you? And it's just, you know what I was doing last night, man?
Tell me.
Cardboard.
That's not a thing.
Cardboard. I got home. I had to go out of town for the kids' hockey game.
Okay.
Come back. I'm talking like 45 minutes away towards you. Towards you.
Okay.
I get home. I don't even know what time it is. They're hungry. I got to pick up food for them. It's like 10 p.m. I get home. I open the garage and I got so much damn cardboard. I got shocking, ungodly amounts of cardboard. Like I'm running some sort of shipping receiving facility.
Right. Is it?
And it's something that
I'm UPS.
it's something you have to break down too. They're boxes.
I'm
Oh my
UPS.
God, yeah.
I am UPS. I put on my brown outfit beforehand.
You take a shower.
I took a shower. I lit a candle. It's my cardboard time.
You open the door and you're just
No,
shocked.
I mean, I'm not
All the
gonna.
time.
I'm not gonna lie. I'm like, my wife yelled at me. She's like, "What is this? Who lives like this?" And I'm like, "Oh God, you're right. Who lives like this?" But I'm like, I want to watch Genius. It's like, no. Maybe I should have put the Genius on
Yeah.
with the
Wow.
cardboard
There you
and
go.
Genius together. That's my
Nice.
version of your popcorn.
Why don't you tell the kids allowance and then they could break down the cardboard?
Because they're not gonna do it right.
There's a right
Such a
way to
dad
do it,
thing.
and there's a wrong.
I need efficiency here. You understand? They both had homework. So outside of their other commitments that they have going on in their very dense and rich life here, they also still go to school. They have school. They're school children.
How do they communicate?
Through dance moves. Anyway, so yeah, they took one look at me. My younger one, he came to the door and he was fully ready to go. He had his hat on. He's like, "Let's do it." And I was like, "Man, you know what? It's okay. Go do your homework. It's fine. I got this." Like, but actually in a slightly more angry way. Like I was like, "It's like, get out of here. I got it." You know, in a slightly more irritated 10 p.m. type of way. So I was doing cardboard. I was cutting cardboard and folding cardboard. I swear to you, for 2 hours and 15 minutes.
That's a workout.
2 hours and 15 minutes. Because I got an operation going on over there.
Where's the cardboard coming from?
How dare you? Where's the cardboard? You ever heard of Amazon before?
Yeah.
Where's the cardboard? I want to know. I tweeted this morning. I said, "What's after cardboard?" I woke up this morning. That's what I tweeted. I put that on a Lou Later Twitter.
Oh, okay.
What's after
So,
cardboard?
what do people got to say?
No, people thought I was being like.
Oh, okay.
I actually meant literally what
like,
comes after
somebody help me
cardboard.
here.
Can we do something else, ladies and gentlemen? If something is coming, like, is it the best version? Because can I get something that can crumple up better? I want a packaging material which crumples into a ball after. I don't want to pull out a knife, start cutting tape, folding, packing into other boxes.
Right.
I know it's very reusable. I know from a renewable standpoint, cardboard is pretty much as good as it gets from what I understand, like compared to plastics and things like that. But I imagine a futuristic packaging thing. Maybe it uses air and the whole thing can be popped.
Oh, like bubble wrap.
Like what you see on the inside of the box, but maybe slightly more dense. So I can just, but that's plastic. I need a paper product, some kind of paper product, which can compress really easily. I can just crumple it, and I have a tiny little thing that my bigger thing came in. Especially since so much more of it is local. In other words, the distribution centers are getting closer and closer, so that last leg is getting shorter and shorter.
So it doesn't need to.
Like, for example, if I order groceries for delivery, it's just a paper bag. Give me a paper bag. I'll do it in a paper bag. I can do it.
Yeah.
I can do it. I can crumple.
It won't take you 2 hours.
I can crumple.
Yeah, the whole plastic tape on the boxes, it's a nightmare.
No, Amazon is doing paper tape with the strings.
Sure, but you still have to like cut it.
You still have to cut it.
You know,
You
it's a
still have
whole
to-
Also,
process to flatten.
For me, whenever I order anything off Amazon, the box is so much bigger than the actual product.
Everybody, people talk about this, but I have to imagine, I don't work in one of these facilities, but I have to imagine it's so hard to keep these insane deadlines.
Yeah.
That they are chucking and they're go, go, go.
Whatever's open.
And
throw
it's
it
very
in.
simple procedure when it comes to a box. But I don't know, man. There's going to be a service in the future where it's like some sort of place that your stuff gets shipped to, and you leave all the stuff there. You roll up and you just take the actual goods, and the boxes and everything stay at that station or something, like a pickup location.
Yeah.
That you don't have to leave with all that paper, because I'm telling you, I don't even know. I mean, I understand I got a lot of people in my household, so it's probably a little bit more intense.
No,
Sure.
but actually, I'm just thinking about it. My dad just bought another blue bin because we keep filling.
It's just going up and up.
Yeah, we keep filling them.
The
so we had to buy
more
another
stuff
one.
we're ordering, it's a ton more waste, man. And like I said, I know it's relatively renewable, but I'm looking for the next. It's going to be innovative. It's like somebody got to think of it.
All right,
We
well,
need
let's
that
get it.
next. We need that next thing because this is becoming way too big a part of our lives.
Sure.
Maybe Elon can do something. I don't know.
Yeah, he's recycling.
No, I'm like,
rockets.
forget about space.
Space.
I'm
Stop
like,
with the
forget
space.
about space. Let's focus the attention here.
On this cardboard. We
This
have too
problem
much.
that's facing everyone. I don't know. Somebody in the chat's gonna solve it, or somebody in the comments here. It's a
They're gonna solve.
yes.
your
Solve cardboard,
problem?
man. Solve cardboard.
Okay.
It's a big problem facing the earth. Think of all the lost hours of potential productivity and problem solving that could occur if we weren't spending hours and hours just folding.
Yeah.
Think about it.